Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a platform which is providing you free unlimited API keys for two models specifically GLM 5.3 Flash and DeepSeek version 4 Flash. This is the website guys free.impero.org/version 1. Simply go to the browser, type this address. I recently got to know about this website while watching a video yesterday. So this platform I tested out. They have their own playground section as well. So you can actually try out these models directly inside the website as well. So once you message, first of all, they were offering Quen 3.8. That endpoint is currently offline. So you can actually switch to GLM 3 5.3 Flash and DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So at this moment of time, guys, they are offering free access. So don't waste any time. Go to the website. I will show you step-by-step instruction on how to connect it inside OpenCode. I have already installed OpenCode. So now you simply select Manage Models. Simply select that and click on this button, Connect Provider. Click on that and simply select in the other section custom OpenAI compatible provider. And right here you need to fill out these entries. So provider ID you can write anything, any name you can give. Let me give it Impero, EMPERO 2. You can give any name of your choice, Impero 2. The display name will be Impero 2, same name that I'm giving right here. The base URL you can easily get. This is actually the base URL. This is completely free, unlimited access. You can get a free API key. This is the base URL. So we simply copy the base URL. After that, in the API key section, you can leave this empty, but they have specifically told use free in the field of API key. If the client requires to fill out API key, you need to simply fill out free. So let me just fill out in the API key section just free. Just fill out free inside this section. And for the model ID guys, I will show you both the models. So first of all, we will fill out this GLM 5.3 Flash. This model ID needs to be same, GLM 5.3 Flash. Display name you can give anything. Let me give GLM 5.3. The next model that they are offering it is this one, DeepSeek version 4 Flash. I will simply copy the model ID and simply paste it. So I will add two models. So I added the first model GLM and DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So let me just give a display name DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So I added both the models. Now you just need to click the submit button guys to submit this. After that you will see this notification Impero 2 connected, and right here from this you simply select in the search bar Impero 2, and as you see guys, both these models are appearing, Impero 2, DeepSeek version 4, GLM 5.3. Let me select and create a new session. Click on new session. So I fill out a hi message. So now as you will see, it will respond to me if you type the message hi. So it's a free unlimited API that they are providing it. So now as you see, hi, what can I help you with? Let me just ask a question that list out the top Node.js frameworks, top 15 in 2026. And you can just see the speed guys. It is simply answering it with a great number of speed. So if you want to build out an application guys, don't waste any time, because at the time of recording this video, it is offering it free and unlimited. I don't know when this offer will expire. So as they already told that the Quen endpoint is retired. So this also will be retired in 2-3 days. So just enjoy while it lasts. And you can switch the model. If I want to use GLM, I can switch it to GLM 5.3, and this time I will simply tell it to build a image to PDF advanced tab with all options, create a index.html file. So I simply ask a question that build a image to PDF advanced app So now it will try to build a complete full stack coding application and create this index.html files. So I have given the website link, guys, free.impero.org. This is the website that they're offering free unlimited API key of both these models. You can integrate with any provider. I am just take an example of OpenCode. So any provider which supports OpenAI compatible API key, you can simply connect this very easily. So it will take some time to create the application. So once it completes, you will see the application created. You can even attach images, files, everything. If you want to stop it, you click the stop button. I can simply stop JavaScript. I think DeepSeek is actually working fast as compared to GLM 5.3 Flash. So if I just top JavaScript frameworks in 2026. So it is automatically detected the directory is empty. I will build a complete feature rich image to PDF app index.html. Let me create this file. So I think this model DeepSeek is version 4 Flash is actually a good model. So test out both the models because it is completely free and unlimited. People are using it at the same time. So this is the website, guys. Definitely check this out. free.impero.org. They are offering free API key. And then I've shown you the overall process how to connect it. It's very simple in OpenCode. You can take any provider, for example. So as you see, it is now writing the actual code in this index.html file. So definitely check this website out, guys.